traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So we do have a little bit of a bounce on the daily, but I mean the trend is definitely down based on structure. You know, you got lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You've also taken out some lows, so we got a new lower low, a new lower low. This is definitely a very obvious, possible support area. Tons and tons of support in the past and resistance in the past in this area. So it could definitely cause a bounce. Just keep in mind that the daily trend is not going to change unless it goes way up here and breaks structure. It could possibly go up to one of these fib levels and then make a lower high and just keep on trending down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have a hard time recommending longs yet. Yes, we maybe do have a little bit of a break to the upside on the 1 hour, but I think the 4 hour time frame is tuned better, and I think the trend is down on the 4 hour until we get this high broken. But just in case we do get another move up, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If you do get a nice fib bounce, then I would either expect it to do this, like an ABC pullback to this move down, and then continue the downtrend, or possibly it'll go up and break this 4 hour time frame structure, which would confirm a much larger move to the upside. So, like I said, I do have a very hard time, recommending longs because the trend is very heavily down. And when the trend is down on the daily, oftentimes you go down to this 1 hour time frame and come up with reasons to go long, and then it just keeps on going down and down and down and down. So just keep in mind the higher time frame trend is definitely your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.